my channel. So today's video is an apartment tour. I've been living in this apartment for the past 7 to 8 months, I think, and I furnished almost immediately, but I didn't film this video because I wasn't really satisfied with the way the decor came out. But now I have done like a few changes, a lot of changes actually in this place, and I feel like in a very good place to film this video. Obviously I'm not done with decorating. If you know me, I am not done. Like, I have a few things to do in mind, but if I keep waiting till I'm done with everything, I may not be able to film this video. So yeah, hence why we're here today. I'm living in Lagos, Nigeria, just in case you don't know, and I am living in a studio, a very tiny studio. So yeah, links to everything I'm going to be showing and mentioning is going to be in my description box, so in case you're interested in anyone, please go there and check it out. So yeah, let's start the video. So guys, starting from the entrance is my door, and right beside it is my wardrobe. My wardrobe was custom made by my carpenter. He's the one that made all the furnitures in my apartment. So yeah, it is a 7 feet long wardrobe. I'm not going to be opening this, but it's quite big. It's a 7x4 wardrobe, but it doesn't really contain all my belongings, but I'm managing because I'm living in a studio. So inside here we have clothes. I'm not going to be showing because it's a hot mess. We have more clothes and toiletries, and down there we have undies and more clothes. I also have my shoes inside here. It comes with a shoe rack. So yeah, so up here I have my wardrobe. I know it looks a hot mess, but I'm going to be changing up that box to black so that it's going to blend seamlessly. Although I have a space inside my wardrobe where I keep my box, but because I needed extra space, I brought the box on top so I can use that part to fold my clothes. Right here I have a basket of where I keep all my cleaning stuff, and then I have a couple of toilet rolls there. Yeah, it doesn't look good, but I mean, I'm the only one living here and this is realistic. Okay, so up there is my air freshener. So moving on, I have this plant here in just a plastic vase. This is an elephant ear plant. I'm going to put the full name of this plant on the screen. So yeah, I don't want to bite my tongue pronouncing it, but yeah, it's a very tropical, nice, easy to maintain plant, and I love the look it gives this place. It gives this place a very nice tropical vibe, which is what I was going for. Over here yeah, are the frames that I got. I got these frames from Adobe wall frames. I really love the wood finishing. I just love the way it looks. Really, like, it gives this place one kind of vibe. This one says God is always with me, and this one says you have one life to live, make sure it's yours. And then I have this really beautiful picture of a woman. I am a woman, and also this line drawing of a woman and a picture of the beach. Obviously I love the beach, and more tropical vibes. So right under here I have this couch, also made by my carpenter, and pillows that I got from Yaba. And just under the couch is a 4 rug. This is a very nice 4 rug. I got this from a jeweler bar. So yeah, moving on, I have my bed area. Normally I would dress my bed with white sheets, but I'm trying out these new sheets and I'm loving it. I know it's looking a little too brown over here, but just have it in mind that I always dress my bed white. I love how it feels. The quality is way better than my white sheets, and I'm going to also link that. So this is my side table and my bed, also made by my carpenter, and this is what I would usually have on my side table: my Echo Dot, my AC remote, a candle. This candle I got it from perfumestore.ng, something like that. I'm going to link it. I have my remote, I have my DSTV remote and my TV remote, I have my AirPods, and then my internet. So in here I keep a couple of business books. By the way, my mattress, I got my mattress from Vitafoam, and my pillows too from Vitafoam. My pillows are, what are they called now? I can't really remember. Okay, yeah, my pillows are called memory foam pillows. Yeah, so I got the medium size, 4 of the medium size, and a semi orthopedic bed, a 4.5x6 mattress. Over here I have 2 frames. By the way guys, those dots are from where I previously put my frames. I'm going to be closing that up, but for now they are there. So I have these two frames here. These were the frames I took out from here to bring here. By the way, my bed was here, so I pushed my bed this way, and then I had to move the frames over to where my bed is. I have my AC here. My AC is from Cash and Carry. I don't really like the way it was installed, like all these are not supposed to be showing, but the guy that installed this AC for me was like, he was a madman. So coming over here, I have this full length mirror. This mirror is huge. I think it's about 7 feet tall, and I'm not sure how wide it is, but it's really huge. Like, this is me close up, and this is the height. Man, it is huge, but I love it. So this is the door to my bathroom. Nothing to see there. It's quite furnished, it's quite nice, quite cute, but really nothing to see there. Anyways, next up is this plant is in the family of snake plants, so it's quite tough. I'm not going to kill this one. And I also have it in the same pot. I love this pot because of the color. It's giving me like a punch of color in this apartment. So I have it on this stool. So next is my TV. This is a 50-inch Samsung Ultra HD Smart TV. I also got this from Cash and Carry. Under that is my console, which was also made by the same Carpenter. I have my speaker, and then I have this little vase here that I got from Everything with this pampas grass from Rika's Basket. This ceramic tray stuff, I got it from Nada Living, I think. I'm going to link everything. And then this candle was gifted. So in here I keep my books and vitamins, and then in there I have like wires, cables, and a few books too. I have my ring light here. It's not supposed to be there, but yeah, I move it around whenever I'm using it. So yeah, it's right there. And then this is my workspace / vanity / dining table. So right on the table I have my perfume tray, perfume collection. I don't have a lot, but I don't really need to have a lot. Moving along, I have this pampas grass and vase here. The vase is from Nada Living. The pampas grass is from Wicca Basket, and the candle is from perfumes.ng, something like that. I'm going to link it. And I have my old chair here. I have drawers here where I keep makeup, hair products, and gadgets. Moving along, beside my work table I have my laundry basket. If my bathroom was big enough, my laundry basket is supposed to be inside there, but because it's not, it has to stay here. Moving along, this is my kitchen. This is the door to my kitchen. If you have not seen my kitchen makeover video, I'm going to link it here so that you can go and watch that. So we're not going to be showing that in this video. And then last but not least is my very big fridge. I love this fridge, guys, because I meal prep a lot, I cook a lot, and I also own a food business. So this fridge comes in very handy. I got this from Cash and Carry. Almost all my electronics I got from Cash and Carry. This is a Brom product. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and of course you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, support me. You're always going to come back to watch videos, so why not subscribe and stay? If you have any questions for me, please leave it in the comment section. I will definitely answer. So yeah, see you guys in my next one. Bye.